When we start a new plan, Interior Designer gives us a few options from which we choose: a blank plan, a sample plan, or style templates. House style templates are designed to help you get started quickly by setting default styles such as colors, molding, cabinets, flooring, and more as you begin your new design. The interior style templates work the same way as setting defaults for your indoor living projects. However, they will start you with a pre-designed room. When you choose a style template to begin, you will either choose a house style template or an interior template. In this video, we'll explore the house style templates. We'll begin by selecting File, New Plan, and choose the house style template. In this case, let's select the American Casual. House style templates set many defaults for our design, which you can always make changes to at any time to make the design fit your style. As we begin designing with this house style template, our walls, doors, windows, and other objects in the plan are given predefined materials and other attributes that all have a color and style theme. With Interior Designer, you can create just about any interior fast and easy.